Kukdoo coo! Wow, Mia, it's a beautiful day. Let's go play outside. Yay, let's play. Yay! Look, Mia, rain clouds. Yay, rain is coming.
Johnny! Mia! Please come inside.
Just a little longer, Mama. We want to play.
Okay, but be careful.
Splash! Splash! Baby ducks! They're so cute. Hello, little duck. Aww. Come on, little duckies. Your mommy is waiting. We'll help you. The fish are dancing. Let's dance too. Rain dance. Uh-oh. The rain got bigger.
Johnny! Mia! Time to go home.
Okay, Mama. Coming. Bye, duckies. See you later.
Too much rain can make you sick.
Sorry, Mama. Sorry.
You played so much in the rain. Now let's have a nice warm bath.
Yay! Bath time! Something smells yummy. I'm so hungry.
Dinner is ready.
Let's eat together.
Hot soup keeps us healthy.
Yummy. More, please.
Look, the rain is stopping.
Really? Can we go see?
Let's check outside.
The rain stopped. Let's go outside. A rainbow! It's beautiful. Let's visit our duck friends. Yes. Our duck friends. They're happy too.
Rain can be fun and safe.
Family adventures are the best.
Hooray! Hooray! Kukdoo coo!